Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to Frisella Nursery. My name's Nick and I'm going to show you how to plant a pot. So to start, you'll need a pot of some sort. In this case, I have a decomposable pot. You'll need some soil and plants that you're going to put in. The first step is to fill the pot up to about the level that you want the plants to be setting in. So about here, which is about halfway. So I will take my soil.
Approximately 10 hours later.
That's pretty good. When you're making a good pot, you need a thriller, which is Angelonia in this case, a filler, which is this Euphorbia Diamond Frost, and a spiller, which is a Supertunia Vista. And first, I'm going to put this in the center, just to have a nice symmetrical radial design. I'm going to do one of these in kind of like the third of each, or a third of the pot. Here. And I'm just placing them in. I'm not doing anything special with them. And then I'm just filling in with the filler. All right. And then once you got them all in there, you just fill in the gaps between the plants with soil, pack it in there nice and good, and then you'll water it in. A helpful tip of advice is that odd numbers usually look better to the eye. And when you're picking out plants for a pot, you want to pick plants that are going to do well together. So all of these do really well in kind of a drier, full sun environment. So it just helps out for the plants to set them up for the best success. Thanks for tuning in to Frisella Nursery. Like and subscribe and look forward to our next video.